Exaggeration 101. Making your English bigger and bolder. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another interesting session on English language learning. Today, we'll be focusing on a fun and lively element of jokes, exaggeration. We all know humor can be a powerful tool when it comes to learning languages, and exaggeration plays a key role in it. In English, when we talk about exaggeration, we mean the act of making something seem bigger, better, worse, or more important than it actually is. Think about when your friend tells a story about catching a fish, and each time the story is retold, the fish becomes bigger and bigger. That's exaggeration. Exaggeration is a fantastic tool for many reasons. It can be used to draw attention, to make a point, or to create humor. When we exaggerate in English, we often make our stories more engaging or funny, adding a little extra spice to our conversations. Let's look at some examples of exaggeration. 1. I'm so hungry, I could eat a horse. Clearly, the speaker isn't going to eat an entire horse. But by exaggerating, they're really emphasizing how hungry they are. 2. This bag weighs a ton. Unless you're incredibly strong, the bag doesn't actually weigh a ton. But this exaggeration helps to express that the bag is really heavy. Now, here are a few tips on how to use exaggeration effectively in your English. 1. Know your audience. Use exaggeration when it can add value to your conversation or storytelling. Just remember, it should be appropriate to the context and the people you are talking with. 2. Balance. Like any other element in language, exaggeration should be balanced. Too much of it may cause people to not take you seriously. And there you have it, folks. That's a brief exploration of exaggeration in English. It's a great way to add some color to your conversations and storytelling, and it can make your English sound more natural. As always, practice makes perfect. So, don't hesitate to sprinkle your English with a little exaggeration from time to time. Happy learning and see you in our next session.